Hello again. We're back. Now I'm taking a look at Learning Unit 2, a quick overview. Same setup, discussion question for this learning unit is speaking to the idea of plots. Plots is very important as far as representation of data visualization. So I just want you to discuss two different types of plots, and you would definitely learn that in the reading in the lesson. Um, and so you're going to take a look at it and talk about how that can be used, what you can recommend as far as using them plots with data visualization. All right, so that's our discussion question for week number 2, Learning Unit 2. And then our assignment is exploring Seaborn and Panda data, types of libraries used for Python. We're getting into the fun stuff now. Just to let you know, in my experience, even though I've been teaching good 10 years now, but I still run a lot of machine learning models and do some data visualization every now and then in a consulting um, form or format. You're going to learn of some of that and some of its usefulness in many fashions. Make sure you're paying attention to all the particular aspects. And so when you turn in this assignment, make sure you're able to run each command, and you're running this in Visual Studio Code. Um, and once again, if you're having any issues running the commands, it's all laid out here for you. It's just essentially either copying and pasting if you know how to do that, or typing it in. Um, and then you're going to take screenshots of the commands running, and that's what you're delivering to me as far as your submission. Pretty straightforward. You essentially submit that in the assignment portal. Um, and if you have any issues, please let me know. Um, and as far as screenshots, I'll take either just a screenshot, or you can connect it or attach it to a document. I will accept both of those particular formats, not a problem. And then finally, in Learning Unit 2, there's a quiz. I did want to point out in the U Certified quiz format, there's several different aspects. There's a learn, basically go through the questions and get immediate feedback. There's the actual tests, which is recorded, where you get a score. There's a review that you can do without taking the test. So there's several aspects of actually going through the quiz. So there's no need to panic. And there's just 15 questions. And then there's a gamify. This is something that's new to me, but basically it runs through the same questions, but it offers a way to essentially gamify it. So I'm going to just kind of end it there. But once again, and you notice that you don't lose your spot, and you close it inadvertently. When you go back to the quiz, they will pick up where you left off, and basically you can start again. So you can have fun with these quizzes. They're not designed for you to fail. They're basically designed so you can make it through the course without any issue. So there you go. You're going to learn more about these libraries and how they're used, and you're going to, write about, all plots and how they are a big part of data visualization. So let me know if you have any questions, and you'll get through Learning Unit 2 without any issues.